Eli, what's in your nose?
Green.
Green what?
Boogers.
What color are they?
Boogers. Boogers.
What
Where-
color?
Boogers.
What color?
Bye-bye, Mom. Bye-bye, yay. Bye-bye, yay. Pop. Sit. Pop it.
Where are your boogers at?
Oh, green.
Where are they at? Is that where you keep your boogers?
Yeah. This. This. This.
Show me. Where is it? What color is it?
Green.
Green what?
2.
Two?
Two.
Two
One.
what?
1.
One what?
Boogers.
Ew, not in your mouth. You can't pick your nose. You can't pick your nose, and you gotta leave them there. The boogers like to live in your nose. They don't want to come out. They can only come out. They can only come out on a Kleenex. Can you say, "Stay there, boogers"? Can you tell your boogers to stay there?
Yeah.
Do it. Say, "Stay
See.
there."
There.
Now you gotta leave them there. Don't pick them. Don't pick them out.